There's nothing worse than dreading your time with a hairbrush. Watching your hair get thinner by the day is one of the worst feelings in the world. However, there are a number of effective products that promise to curb the problem and restore your hair's volume. Garlic shampoo is one such product. Today's video will discuss how to use garlic shampoo for hair loss. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. Benefits of using garlic for hair loss. 1. Thickens hair. Garlic has antibiotic properties which help curb hair fall caused by bacteria. These properties help aid your scalp in putting an end to the problem, restoring the thickness of your hair. It also helps stimulate the dormant follicles on your scalp, restoring volume. 2. Restores scalp and hair health. Garlic helps restore health to hair that has been through a lot of chemical and heat damage. It also helps cure dryness and soothes an itchy scalp. A healthy scalp is much better at supporting strong hair roots and preventing hair fall. 3. Eliminates breakage. Garlic helps reduce hair breakage by strengthening the hair shaft. This prevents hair thinning to a great extent and also minimizes split ends. 4. Boosts blood circulation. Garlic stimulates the circulation of blood to your scalp. This helps flush out the toxins from your follicles while also keeping them nourished and healthy. The healthy follicles are better equipped for producing healthy and strong hair. They also fight off damage more efficiently. Now that you know just how great garlic can be for your hair, let's get into how you can go about using it as shampoo. How to make garlic shampoo. You will need 10-15 fresh garlic cloves, 1 tsp olive oil, 5 drops peppermint oil, 5 drops tea tree oil, 1 full bottle of shampoo. Prep time, 5 minutes. Processing time, 5 minutes. Method, 1. Peel the garlic cloves and wash them until they are clean. 2. Blend the cloves until you get a smooth paste. 3. To the paste, add some water and blend it for a while longer so that the paste is a bit creamy. 4. To the garlic paste, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and a couple of drops of peppermint and tea tree oil each. 5. Mix the ingredients until they are well combined. 6. Add this mixture to your shampoo and mix well. 7. Store the shampoo in an airtight bottle. 8. Use this garlic shampoo in place of your regular shampoo. How often? 2-3 times a week. Have you ever aware of these benefits of garlic for your hair? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.